Programming a transponder key for a 2014-2017 GMC Terrain with push-button start is possible, but it requires specific tools and carries risks. Yes, programming a transponder key for a 2014-2017 GMC Terrain with push-button start is possible, but it requires specific tools and carries risks. These models use PK3+ transponder keys that need synchronization with the vehicle's ECU. While dealers are recommended, DIY success rates have increased to 70 to 85% due to affordable OB2 scanners like Autel MaxiLink ML519 or Launch CRP123, and software updates that simplify the process. However, be aware that incorrect attempts can trigger error codes or even immobilize the vehicle, requiring professional reset. To program a key for your 2014-2017 GMC Terrain, you'll need specific tools and follow careful steps. You'll need a working programmed key, a blank compatible transponder key, and an OBD2 scanner with GM-specific software. The process involves 3 main steps. First, ensure your battery is charged and there are no fault codes. Second, access the vehicle's learn mode through the ignition cycle or scanner prompts. Third, use the scanner to clone or add the new key's data. Risks include BCM corruption from voltage drops or incorrect timing, potentially leading to vehicle lockdown. DIY attempts may void warranties or trigger security system malfunctions.